Question 19. Here is a table of temperatures at dawn on the same day. What is the difference in temperature between London and Paris? Well, London is on -4 and Paris is on +6. So if you imagine your number line with +6 at the larger end of the line and -4 at the smaller end, you've basically got 0 somewhere in between. It's not necessarily in the middle, but it's just definitely between the negative numbers and the positive numbers. So let's just do the separate gaps. So from 0 to 6, that's a gap of 6. And from 0 down to -4, that's a gap of 4. Put your two gaps together, 4 plus 6 gives us a total of 10. So the answer to the first question is 10 degrees. But we've got a second question. At noon, the New York temperature has risen by 5. What is the temperature in New York at noon? So we are on -9 on our number line, and we're going up 5. Now, we'd have to go up 9 to get back to 0, so we're not going to be quite on 0 yet. So if you come up 1, that would be -8. 2 would take you to -7. 3 would take you to -6. 4 would take you to -5, and 5 would take you to -4. So we're going to end up on -4. So our answer is -4 degrees. So if the New York temperature rises by 5, we're doing -9 plus 5, and that takes us to -4. Final answer.